Useful Filipino word questions. Nasaan ka na? Where are you? Nasaan ka na ngayon? Where are you now? Saan mo nakuha yan? Where did you get that? Saan mo yan napulot? Where did you pick that? Saan mo siya nakilala? Where did you meet him or her? Nasaan siya? Where is she or he? Saan kita pwedeng dalawin? Where can I visit you? Nasaan na ba talaga sila? Where are they really? Saan ko ito pwedeng ilagay? Where can I put this? Saan ako pwedeng makabili nito? Where can I buy this? Saan mo ako nakita? Where did you see me? Saan ka pupunta? Where are you going? Saan mo yan dadalhin? Where will you take it? Saan ka nakatira? Where do you live? Saan ka uupo? Where will you sit? Saan mo nilagay ang plato? Where did you put the plate? Saan ka pumunta? Where did you go? Saan mo dinala? Where did you take it? Saan ka galing? Where have you been? Saan mismo? Where exactly? Saan ka uuwi? Where are you going home? Nasaan ang mga bisita? Where are the visitors? Saan nakatira ang kapatid mo? Where does your sister or brother live? Saan ang bangko? Where is the bank? Saan ang paradahan? Where is the parking area? Saan ang bahay nyo? Where is your house? Nasaan ka kagabi? Where were you last night? Nasaan ang susi? Where is the key? Nasaan si Jake? Where's Jake?